Okay, so let's get this chicken prepared for its marination and barbecuing. One full chicken here. As you can see, I've butterflied this or spatchcocked it. If I just flip it over, I can explain what I've done. I've actually cut the whole central bone out the back, if you see what I mean, like that, and it just opens it out. Very simply, we're going to get this into a lovely, lovely sweet marination. Okay, so I've now put the chicken into a mixing bowl. We're going to add 1 cup of soy, which is a light soy. You could be using dark. The same amount, 1 cup of vinegar. I'm using a cane vinegar actually, so the sweetness continues. I've got like 3, or maybe just say 1 heaped tablespoon of garlic. I've got about the same of star anise. These are broken pieces. Wonderful flavour in there. We're going to hit this with some black pepper, and quite a lot of black pepper. I don't want to be shy. It's probably 2 teaspoons there. Then a little bit of sugar. This is a light brown sugar I'm using. You could use a dark brown or a white sugar. There was about ½ a cup there. And then we're going to go Coca-Cola. There's a can of Coke in there. The original taste. Use Pepsi if you want, or even 7-Up or Sprite, something like that. But yeah, Coke works really well. Okay, what we're going to do here, just give us a little mix around. I've got my gloves on. Then overnight, you need to, really 8 hours, I would say. This is definitely going to be 8 hours for me. Shrink wrap on this, and then let it really work in the refrigerator. And then it goes onto the barbecue. Super easy then. It's going to be really delicious, this one. Okay, there you go. Low and slow on the barbecue. Super sweet, super sticky. That is absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.